In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show each email message separately in Outlook. If your inbox feels cluttered because messages are grouped into conversation threads, switching to a view that shows each email individually can make scanning and organizing much easier. I'll cover both the new Outlook web version and the classic desktop app. For Outlook on the web, go to the View tab at the top. Click View Settings to open Display Options. In the Message Organization section, select Show each message separately. Save your changes, and your inbox will refresh so every email appears as its own item. This is useful for sorting, filtering, or reviewing messages one by one without thread grouping. For the classic Outlook desktop app, click the View tab in the menu bar. Look for Show as Conversations and uncheck it. This turns off Conversation View, so messages are listed individually. You can apply this to a specific folder or all folders depending on your preference. Once disabled, emails will appear separately, making it easier to sort by date, sender, or subject. A quick note: Conversation View groups messages by subject and related headers. Showing each message separately does not delete or move emails. It only changes how they are displayed. You can switch back to Conversation View anytime by reversing the steps. That's it. With a few clicks, you can toggle between threaded conversations and individual messages, giving you full control over how your inbox is organized.